Bonjour, this is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce this name from French, the name of a literary genre designating a novel with a key. That's what it means, a novel about real-life events or people where the names appear invented. They're not the real names, but it's real story. Anyhow, how do you say it thus? In France, it is said as roman, meaning novel, à clé. Roman à clé. Clé meaning key. Some people in English say clef, but no, the F is definitely silent, so forget about the F. In English, it is often said as roman à clé. Roman à clé. From French, roman à clé. Roman à clé. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.